training tomorrow. Door gunner training. Can we go eat? I'm hungry. Is anybody else hungry? See? Sister C's hungry. Can we go eat? I'll even take you with the deer on your shirt.
What did you say? Ashley, come here. Come here, hurry! Hurry, come see Daddy.
Run!
Hurry!
Run! Daddy's got him. Go run to Daddy.
Come here. Come here.
Go
Come here. Hurry! Hurry. Come here. You're a lost cause. Come here. Bye-bye. See you next year. Ash, come here. What's this? I want to show you something.
Oh.
Yeah, come here. Potato lips. Come here.
Potato lips?
Come here. Come here. Come here. I want to ask you a question. Come here. Do you know what's on Daddy's shirt? What's that? What is it? What? Is it a deer? Can you say deer?
Tell Ben it's a deer.
What do the cows do?
What
What do the cats do? What do the dogs do? What do the pigs do?